a diminutive pendant, often overlooked, yet the linchpin of fastening and release. Trace its form, perhaps a simple tab, a small ring, or a more stylized flourish, each designed for tactile engagement. Consider the material, frequently metal or a sturdy plastic, engineered for repeated friction and reliable grip. Notice the small aperture or loop that connects it to the slider, a point of articulation that allows for fluid movement along the toothed tracks. It is through this tiny nexus that the entire mechanism is controlled, a testament to the power of a small, well-designed interface. Think of the actions it facilitates: the smooth, satisfying glide as garments are secured, the quick, decisive tug that grants freedom of movement. It is a mediator between open and closed, a silent controller of exposure and containment. Despite its size, the zipper pull endures considerable use, a constant companion to our daily routines. It withstands the stress of hurried closures and forceful openings, a small but mighty workhorse in the realm of apparel and accessories. It is a tangible point of interaction, a miniature lever that governs the boundaries of our belongings, a small metallic conductor of closure,